The Kimberley Magistrate's Court will rule on the bail application of 30-year-old Aldean Wilkinson, who stands accused of killing his 28-year-old partner last month. The state is opposing bail in the matter, while the defense indicated the accused is a first-time offender and not a flight risk. They say he assisted with the case when he handed himself over to police the day after the murder and insist it is impossible for him to influence state witnesses. For more on this, let's cross live now to our colleague Reginald Witbooi. A very good morning to you, Reginald. Take us through what's expected in today's proceedings.
Well, a very good morning to you, Desiree, and also to our viewers. Yes, indeed, Magistrate Maimane Boy will today rule whether 30-year-old Aldean Wilkinson will be granted bail in the Kimberley Magistrate's Court. Now, the defence last week indicated that Wilkinson is not a flight risk and that he had no previous convictions. They went on saying that he admitted that they admit that it's a serious offence and it's a Schedule 5 offence that the National Prosecuting is pursuing in this case. But they were saying that he cooperated with the police in the investigation when he handed himself over the Monday and he was then arrested, and he remained since in custody, and today it will be his fifth court appearance. Now, they were also saying that there's a backlog when it comes to DNA results, and there's a backlog of it can take up to 6 months for DNA results to be presented in courts. Now, it was State Attorney Talisha Pitt who came out and saying that the interest of justice should be looked at because the deceased rights of living was affected, and that should be weighed upon on the freedom of what the accused then stand for, and whether he should be allowed bail. And they were saying that a family was uprooted, and we know that Bianca Asal, the sister of Danielle van der Linde, when she testified, she said the family, they are fearing for their lives. And the state also indicated that, and this is a critical point, that the knife that he used to kill Danielle van der Linde, that evidence hasn't been found yet, and they are scared that he might, when should he be allowed bail, that he might conceal that. So today he will hear whether he will be granted bail, and I see that his case is 7th on the court roll. It all depends whether the defence and the state will indicate that the court should rather allow other cases to proceed first before a ruling on his bail application should be handed down. What we also know is that there are supporters at the Kimberley Magistrates Court who are also calling on the fact that he should not be allowed bail, and we know that the community members also presented a petition to the Kimberley Magistrates Court.
Reginald will be watching events to see how they unfold at the court today.